All right, so we are about 30 minutes out from race. We're here at Elder Creek, first trail run. Really excited. 9 miles, hills, the great outdoors, this beautiful day, heat. What can you not ask for? What more can you ask for? So, if you got a nice race, such as I'm running 9 miles today, this would be a great flow for you. We're gonna be doing a little bit of hip opener stuff, get our lower half nice and loose and get our upper half nice and energized. Quick little 10 to 15 minute flow, nothing crazy. Please meet me at the top of your mat or in the center of your mat, however you want to stance. And we're gonna start with establishing some nice motion and falling into a mountain pose. Just connecting with the body here. And on my first forward salute, I'm gonna be gentle with my body. I'm gonna exhale, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. And then I'm gonna widen my stance and exhale, forward fold a little deeper. Inhale, forward salute. Back bend, cactus arms. Inhale, forward salute. We're gonna do a forward fold and we're gonna prep for some twists. Bend both knees at your bottom. Inhale, straighten the right leg. Right hand skyward. Exhale, swim that hand overhead. Rebend that right knee and flow to your left side. Inhale, straighten that left leg. Left hand skyward. Exhale, swim that hand overhead. Put a bend in that knee. And then halfway lift. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, forward salute. Big back bend here, cactus arms. Inhale, get long and tall, please. Take your left hand, grab your right wrist, drag yourself to the left side. Inhale, back to center. Take your right hand, grab your left wrist, drag yourself to the right side. Inhale, back to center. Exhale, forward fold. Be delicate here. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, forward salute with a crescent back bend here. Flow with an exhale to cactus arms. Next inhale, get long here. Squeeze the left hand and drop it. Get long with your right. Expose your chest and lean to your left here. Back to center with an inhale. Bring both arms up. Exhale, drop that right hand. Inhale, rotate to your left. Exhale, lean to your right. Next, inhale, back to center. Next, exhale, cactus arms, back bend. That feels great. Inhale, please get long. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, forward fold. Step back into a high plank. Inhale to table. Exhale, big toes come to touch. Child's pose. Not staying here too long. We're just setting up thread the needle. Inhale to table. Elevate that right arm. Take it and thread it in between your left armpit and hand. Extend and sink the hips back. You see the runners are running past me? Hell yeah. They're already getting after it. We're about 10 minutes away from our start position. Been here for about 3 to 4 breaths here. So on your next inhale, please come up and elevate yourself. Reestablish your table. Next inhale, bring that left arm up, tee it out, thread it in between your under the armpit of the right. Stretch that right hand down and rest your side face on the ground. Threading that needle here. Now we're getting our left side all threaded and our right side body all stretched out. Stay here for 3 to 4 breaths. On your next inhale, please return back to table. Exhale, press yourself into a down facing dog. Pedal those feet while you can, releasing tension in your calf muscles. Inhale to table. And we're going to exhale, child's pose. Finishing up here, inhale to table. Exhale, down facing dog. Just flowing through the movements here. Inhale to table. Set yourself up for some bird dogs. Extend the left arm and right leg. Inhale, get a little longer. Hold the posture, not the pose. Charge up your core. Couple more seconds here. Listen to my voice for guidance. Inhale, get a little longer. Exhale, return back to table. Next inhale, right hand extends, left leg extends. Hold the posture, not the breath. Just charging up the core. Inhale back to table. Exhale, down facing dog. 2 to 3 breaths here. On your next inhale, right leg up. Exhale, step it through and rise into a high lunge. Put a bend in that front knee. Shift a little forward and warrior one. Good. Inhale, get a little longer. Exhale, humble warrior. We're flowing here. We're not staying too long. Inhale, halfway lift. Bring your right forearm to your right thigh. Exhale, place your wrist inside of your thigh and guide yourself down. Twister coming. Inhale, twist. Exhale, return to the ground. Inhale, standing forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, high plank. Exhale, shift yourself into a down facing dog. Next inhale, left leg up. Next exhale, step it through, high lunge. Forward salute. Put a bend in that front leg and shift the hips a little forward. Warrior one. Inhale, get longer. Exhale, humble warrior. Not staying here too long. Your next inhale, halfway lift. Place that left forearm on the left thigh here. Then bring that wrist inside the knee. Exhale, lower down. Twister coming. Inhale, open your chest. Right hand skyward. Exhale, return to the ground. With an inhale, bring that right leg to meet your left. Halfway lift. Exhale, forward fold. Finishing up here. Inhale, forward salute with a crescent back bend. Look at your thumbs, look at your thumbs. Exhale, cactus arms. Inhale, please get a little longer. Connect the palms. And exhale, bring the hands to heart center. Big toes come to touch. And we'll end today's asana and the stance of equanimity, Samasthiti. Hey, if you did this, you ready for your run? Let's fucking get after it. Let's have some fun. Time to do it. The training's done. The warm-up's done. The prep is already in. Now it's just time for the result. Let's do the work and let's accept whatever comes with it. Let's get after it.